Finding out who owns a limited liability company can be surprisingly challenging. Whether you're conducting due diligence on a potential business partner, investigating a legal matter, or simply researching a company, knowing how to uncover LLC membership is an essential skill. A limited liability company is a business structure that combines the personal liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility of a partnership. Unlike corporations that have shareholders, LLCs have members who own portions of the company. These members may manage the business themselves or appoint managers to handle daily operations. Here's where it gets complicated. LLC formation is handled at the state level, not federally, and each state has different rules about what information must be made public. Some states require LLCs to disclose member names in their filings, while others allow complete anonymity. This means the same company might be transparent in one state but completely hidden in another. The most reliable starting point is your state's Secretary of State website. Most states maintain searchable online databases where you can look up businesses by name or entity number. These databases typically show whether the LLC is active or dissolved, the registered agent's contact information, and the filing date. In states like California or Illinois, you may also find the names of members or managers listed in the public filings. The registered agent is the person or company designated to receive legal documents on behalf of the LLC. While this information is always public, the registered agent is not necessarily an owner or member of the company. They're simply the official point of contact for legal matters. If the Secretary of State search doesn't provide member names, check whether the LLC has filed annual or biennial reports. Many states require these periodic filings, and they sometimes include updated information about members or managers. These reports are often accessible through the same state database. For LLCs that operate in your local area, business license records can be another valuable resource. Companies typically need licenses or permits from city or county governments to operate legally. These documents are filed at the local level and may contain ownership information. Contact your City Hall, County Clerk's office, or search online business license portals if your area offers them. Third-party business lookup services compile data from multiple sources, including public records, websites, and business filings. Platforms like Dun & Bradstreet, LexisNexis, the Better Business Bureau, Open Corporates, and local Chamber of Commerce databases can provide additional details. Keep in mind that some of these services require subscriptions or charge fees for access. Professional LLCs or PLLCs have special requirements. These are LLCs formed by licensed professionals such as doctors, dentists, lawyers, or accountants. In most states, all members of a PLLC must hold active licenses in their profession. This means you can often verify PLLC membership by checking professional licensing boards in addition to business records. Some states are known for their business privacy laws. Delaware and Wyoming, for example, do not require LLCs to list member names in their public filings. Many businesses choose to form their LLCs in these states specifically to maintain anonymity. If you encounter a Delaware or Wyoming LLC, you'll likely need to use alternative methods to identify the owners. The operating agreement is the internal document that outlines member roles, ownership percentages, and decision-making procedures. While this document is not typically filed with the state and remains private, you may be able to request access if you have a legitimate legal reason. This might apply if you're an investor, creditor, or involved in a lawsuit with the company. In certain circumstances, the Internal Revenue Service may provide ownership information. This option is generally reserved for situations involving legal disputes, contract enforcement, or debt collection. You may need to submit a written request or complete IRS Form 4506-A. Be aware that the type of information the IRS can release depends on the LLC's tax classification. When public records don't provide the answers you need, consider hiring a legal professional or licensed private investigator. These experts have access to specialized tools and databases not available to the general public. They can search court records, conduct background checks, and leverage professional networks to uncover ownership information. This approach is particularly useful for anonymous LLCs, shell companies, or businesses operating across multiple states. It's important to understand the limitations of public records. The Articles of Organization, which is the document that officially creates an LLC, is always a public record. However, it may only list a manager's name rather than all members. Additionally, some LLCs use management companies or other entities as their listed managers, adding another layer of separation from the actual owners. Annual reports, when required, must be filed with the Secretary of State and become part of the public record. In states like Florida, these reports must include the names and addresses of managers or members. However, not all states have this requirement, and filing frequencies vary. Finding LLC members is often straightforward when states require disclosure, but it can become complex when dealing with privacy-focused jurisdictions or multi-layered business structures. Start with free state databases, then expand to local business licenses and third-party services if needed. For particularly difficult cases or when legal stakes are high, professional assistance from attorneys or investigators may be necessary. Understanding your state's specific requirements and the various tools available will help you navigate the process efficiently and uncover the ownership information you need.